Hello everyone, welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the connection issue on Telegram. If your Telegram isn't connecting or working properly, don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple solution. Let's get started. First, let's open Telegram. As you can see, it's not connecting for me. This is a common issue that many users face, but there's a quick fix. Next, go to the Play Store and search for an app called dproxy. I provide the downloading link in description. I already have it installed, but if you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and do that now. This app is going to help us bypass the connection problem. Once you have dproxy installed, open the app. You'll see several proxies options here. Select one proxy you can see it's and this is click on first icon. After clicking the icon, you'll automatically go on Telegram. You should now see an option to connect proxy using dproxy. Click on Connect Proxy and dproxy will take care of the rest. Once you've connected, Telegram should start working smoothly again. You can now send messages and everything should be functioning properly. And that's it. Your Telegram connection issue should be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.